Goku, I am Jiren. I'm here to claim the prize and be the winner of this tournament. You will not defeat me. You will not take away what I am here for. Give me that Dragon Ball! Give me that Dragon Ball! Oh, I can feel your bite beneath these gloves, but they will not stop me from claiming my... I am Jiren! You cannot defeat me, Goku! You cannot defeat me! I need you to defeat you, Goku! I will be the victor! And you will be defeated! Everybody watch me! Jiren! Beat Goku!
My legs!
Goku! You cannot beat me! Ouch! Even with your ultra instinct. What is it? Is it family? Fuck Krillin! Are you sorry? Aha! You want a sense of being? No! No water! No sense of being! No! No water! No sense of being! No! Defeat your defeat! Defeat your defeat! Come. No guess? Almost. I don't know what your guess is anyways. But Jiren does. Yes, Goku! Give me a kiss! Oh, kisses! You think you got me defeat?